So today I'm going to share with you my favorite meal as an athlete, and it's a classic meal that's a lot of people's favorite, which is steak and potatoes. I like to use the classic red potato, and I always keep the skin on. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking the potatoes, I'm cutting them into fours. I just give them a nice little bath in olive oil, give a little sprinkle of sea salt and fresh cracked pepper. We're going to put the potatoes in the oven. I'm going to start working on the steak. A little bit of olive oil and sea salt and fresh cracked pepper. And we're just gonna pop these steaks on. We just wanna let them get a nice crust, and then I'll flip it over, and then we're actually gonna put it into the oven. Toss about 2 cups of green beans in, a cup of grape or cherry tomatoes. So not only is this a wonderful colorful side, you get your greens in, you get the nice burst of the tomato, and then we're gonna hit it with some lemon at the end. So it adds some brightness and some freshness. You'll start to know when it's ready because the tomatoes will naturally start to burst. I am just going to hit them with the juice from the steak. Squeeze of lemon. We're gonna check on the potatoes. Nice golden crust. And they just look beautiful. And then it's time to plate our wonderful meal. Get more nutritional info like this at competitor.com.